Hello and welcome, friends. How are you all doing? In today's video, we have a special phone that claims to be the most durable one yet. Brands often target different features like camera quality, design, and performance. But today, we're focusing on durability, and the phone in question is the OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G. This phone is being marketed as an incredibly durable device. The brand suggests that you can drop it, run a car over it, submerge it in water, and it will still function perfectly. They even show it being subjected to extreme conditions like getting hit with a cricket ball, being rolled over by a pitch roller, placed in a washing machine, and sprayed with a jet of water. One of the key selling points of this phone is that it's the first in India to have an IP69 rating. Now, you might have seen flagship phones with an IP68 rating, which means they are dust and water resistant. But what does IP69 mean? Let's break it down. IP stands for ingress protection. The first digit indicates protection against solid objects like dust, and the second digit indicates protection against liquids. A higher number means better protection. So, an IP69 rating means this phone is highly resistant to dust and can withstand high-pressure water jets. The brand's marketing heavily focuses on these durability tests. They show the phone enduring all sorts of extreme conditions, which is quite impressive. But there's a catch. In the fine print, they mentioned that these tests were conducted under controlled conditions. They also state that, as a precision electronic product, it may be damaged if dropped and should be handled with care, avoiding prolonged water exposure. This is a stark contrast to the extreme testing shown in their advertisements. So, what does controlled conditions mean? It implies that while the phone can handle extreme conditions in a lab environment, real-world usage might be different. For instance, if you drop the phone on a hard surface or expose it to water for an extended period, it might get damaged. This disclaimer is crucial because it sets realistic expectations. While the phone might survive being submerged in water for a short time or getting hit with a cricket ball in a controlled setting, it might not perform the same way in everyday use. Let's compare the OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G with other phones that have high durability ratings. Most flagship phones come with an IP68 rating. This means they can be submerged in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes without damage. The IP69 rating on the OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G is a step up, but how often do we subject our phones to high-pressure water jets? The IP69 rating is undoubtedly impressive and adds an extra layer of protection, but it's important to consider how relevant this is to your daily usage. High durability can withstand extreme conditions as shown in controlled tests. IP69 rating offers superior dust and water resistance compared to IP68 rated phones. Marketing transparency. The brand provides a disclaimer about the controlled conditions of their tests. Potential real-world vulnerabilities. Despite the high durability rating, the phone might still get damaged if dropped or exposed to water for too long. Marketing hype. The extreme testing shown in ads might give a false sense of invincibility. Now, let's look at some real user feedback. We scoured online reviews and forums to find out how the OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G performs in the hands of actual users. Our recommendation is to treat this phone like any other high-end device. Appreciate its durability but handle it with care. The IP69 rating is a significant achievement, but don't let the marketing hype lead you to believe the phone is indestructible. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews and tech insights. Until next time.